Hi, welcome to cube root. So now let's start with the cube root and then start it with its structure. So once again, a cube is a geometric figure. So we'll have now a cube. Let's see if I could work out the cube. Assuming this is a cube. This is a cube. Now, when we're getting a cube root, we want to check now its dimension. So assuming that this is a perfect cube, so we could say yes, this is now a cube. Now, what are we getting there is the dimension. So this is now the dimension, the first dimension, A. Another dimension, A. And this now, A. So we are getting now the dimension, either of this one. Because it's cube, so we assume that is now its shape of the number. Now, therefore, we could say that cube root, this is how you write cube root of a cube, is equal to a. However, we have another case, so therefore, before we go to the other case, we have here now the set of its cube, it's only a. However, when we encounter, you might encounter, because you are now aware of negative numbers, so you have now cube root of negative a cube. So the answer would be negative a. So in a set, you could say that it is now negative a. Now, for example, let's have now an example and check it. So example. So the first example is that we want to get now cube root of 8. So when we check about cube root of 8, we will get now 2. Now, I want to go on with the checking to see if that is correct. Now, let's now go with the checking. So what you do is that you get your answer and then cube it. So what we have now is 2 times 2 times 2. Now getting now the product, expediting that, 2 times 2 is 4 times 2, that would be 8. So another example, we want to have another example. We have now cube root of negative 27. So cube root of negative 27, the answer is negative 3. Let's see if our answer is correct. Let's do now the checking. So when we have now the checking, we have now negative 3, and then you're gonna get cube. You write as cube of negative 3. The answer will lead you to negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. So the answer will lead you to negative 27.